In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get power cables here in Arc Raiders. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But by far the easiest way to farm power cables is actually by opening up the map just like so, and you can really go anywhere on here. But for example, if I go to, blue gate, right, if I hit inspect, what you're going to want to go to is these little electrical areas that are marked. And once again, you can't really go anywhere. Like for example, if I back out of this section and open up battlegrounds and scroll in, you'll see that there is the power generation complex up here that's going to have this exact same icon. Essentially go to those areas and other zones with electrical facilities, and in these areas search lockers, containers, and any lootable structure. They do show up pretty frequently. You can also recycle certain items in your inventory if you are short on supplies, but you'll usually gather these mainly just by looting as you explore. But that is it. Power cables are pretty common, so just stick to those electric zones and you'll have plenty in no time. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.